deployed.
Alright, I'll come back. It's alright, I'll win this for sure. This is practice.
Kijk er meer.
Yo, what about you guys? Where are you guys from? Brother man. Brother man, where are you from, bro?
Bombay. Bombay.
Yes, sir, that's my man.
Your squad mate is being tracked as the most wanted target. Eliminate enemies and secure
Whoa,
supply
there's
caches to
two,
get that
bro.
target off their back. Hostiles have established a SAM turret. Be advised, you still have squad mates outside the safe zone.
Popsy on the way, baby.
Contract complete.
Striker.
Damn, why am I lacking like bad? Somebody's fucking cheating in this shit.
Damn, take this guy.
Funny, bro. I don't know what the fuck. What in the world, bro?
Solid work evading the enemy. You're clear for now.
What the hell?
Most wanted contract right here.
Shit. Oh yeah, we could back up again.
Alright, yeah, I'll still.
My bad.
You good.
Your squad mates are the most wanted target. Eliminate threats and secure supply caches to reduce the time of its contract.
That's a new guy. That's a new guy.
Your squad mate was eliminated. Most wanted contract failed. You've got a loadout drop inbound.
I know you just landed. You bought their loadout.
Mark me.
Cancel my lost.
Mark my own gun.
Ready.
Movement in this next right here.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe
Dat
zone.
is wat ik gap is.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Mark my. Ganggu. Oh shit, the old guy. Not clear.
Get your squad to the safe zone. Leave no one behind.
Bước nào là khác cũng rồi. Oh. That was
Taking fire!
What the fuck?
I got you.
Yo, what the fuck?
Kể cả các people cái gấu tao thôi.
This is my first match. I think that's why I'm lagging.
The squad mates in the gulag. They'll fight for a chance to redeploy.
Motherfucker,
Contact our field upgrade.
Scouts moving in. New safe zone located. The gulag's locked down. Area's clear. Squad mate redeploying to the AO.
There's people here.
You're in the top 10. Keep knocking them down.
Visual on the move.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Where's he at? Mark him.
They're up there. Right there. Real people right here on me. I'm driving straight there. Get in the building, you up there. One guy on me. up there, do you see?
Hmm.
Effective fire.
Gas is closing in. Relocating safe zone.
On your way.
Okay, I'm gonna build.
Stun grenade out. Exits here.
I need those things.
Hmm. Yeah, I'm gonna build it.
Some of your squad is outside the safe zone.
Oh, I'm.
Okay, I'm gonna build in cool.
Yo! That black is crazy.
Incoming stun.
Finish your mission. Take them down. 4 remaining. We'll get them back.
GG.
Yeah, they're good for that. My bad.
Hey, go give me daddy phone. It's over there.
Where's your phone yours? Over there? Yeah. Daddy, this almost fell down. This almost fell down. Daddy, you gotta buy my Spider-Man disc. You cannot see that?
It's very unfortunate that so many still choose to kill snakes when they see them. This one appears to have been killed just for its rattle, which is severed from its tail. It's very unfortunate that so many still choose to kill snakes when they see them. This one appears to have been killed just for its rattle, which is severed from its tail. It's very unfortunate that so many still choose to kill snakes when they see them. This one appears to have been killed just for its rattle, which is severed from its tail. It's very unfortunate that so... many still...
The real thing's coming soon.
Hopefully, the second match should be out.
I'm gonna get this one.
All stations, green light. We're deploying to the war zone. Gas is closing on your position. Suggest you hightail it out. Gas inbound. Safe zone, relocation.
What bad man.
Go right, go right.
No, Low fast.
Kung siya ay nag-quit game.
Let's go, my love. Oh shit, you wanna go kill off though?
You're clear to engage all
I'm
hostiles.
not lagging, I'm feeling good on this one. No
Your
lagging,
squad mate
no
is marked as a
lagging.
most wanted target. Kill enemies and secure supply caches to help remove the bounty on their head.
I'm staying like this.
Heads up, an enemy squad marked you as a bounty target. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Oh, you wanna run to me, bro? You got me in the wrong position, bro.
Incoming!
Oh, and you are a player? You are a real player or what? Oh, we got moving in fast. 052. We got a deceased player.
You kept your squad mate alive. Most wanted contract complete.
Check. How you say your name, bro? Thor? Oh, you wanna come straight to me? You gonna hit me? Oh, another one.
Secure supply caches to reduce the time of the contract. Move to the safe zone. The enemy is no longer tracking you. You lost them.
Definitely enough. What's that? What happened? Where did it come from? Where? Mej bella. Kom den mer. Oh. Alright, it's mommy. Mommy make that sound. Mommy make that sound. Now I got the sniper. Ooh, I'm gonna get so many videos, bro. Oh my god. Oh, you going crazy, bro.
Squad mate, one piece. Contract complete.
You?
Marking contract.
052 going straight to bounty.
Bounty targets are up. Get after them.
Right there. In the middle. Open fire, open range. I did not know what you got.
Taking effective fire!
All bounty targets destroyed. Hell of a job. Friendly loadout drops on the way. Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
Where's that stupid bot? I'm back here, I'm waiting for you.
Your squad mate has entered the gulag. They'll need to survive to redeploy.
Where the fuck?
Your squad mate won the fight. They're redeploying now. Get to the safe zone. Gas is moving.
Syntax!
Where? Where I mark?
Like you about to hit that boss station.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Yep, he's coming up hot side over here.
I'll be that right now. Survive.
Mine coming up over here. Behind you, up again.
You sit behind me like something. Oh, he's about to, bro. Protect me, bro. Yo, he's here. No way, bro. You got it. I ain't even ready for that. I'm on a fuck yeah. His choice now. Oh, bot. Guarantee I'm fighting a bot.
Got one over here. Other side of the fence.
Gulag's closed until further notice.
Hey, those are real people or what? Oh.
He's coming.
Only 10 left.
Let's go.
Damn!
Hey, come back. Come back to me, please.
Sorry, dog. Thought I had enough time to pick you up.
Watch out, people just spy. Oh, why am I
Okay,
starting
go back.
to lag? Oh no! You know what? I'm gonna buy you guys because I'm lagging. I don't know why I lag. Fuck it.
Go.
Let's get it.
Run.
Send it.
I'm still lagging, bro. Damn.
Counter UAV available for capture.
Whoa, Hitson's coming.
Enemy UAV is online.
Oh no, now I'm dead. You know damn well I'm a dead meat. Alright. Oh no, I got this time. Ah!
Is in position, deploying ECM.
Golly.
Oh shit, partner is dead, bro. You gotta buy him.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
That cluster got us both, dude.
It's down to you, soldier. Bring the win home.
Alright, I'm gonna sacrifice myself. Alright.
Me, on me, on me, on me,
Ass
on me.
down, bro.
He's going towards the body.
Nice.
Body team is back. Body team is back.
Hostile down.
Gas is closing in.
Did I put two of you? Or only one? Oh
GG.